Let's make the perfect snack. First of all, you have to cut tomato, cucumber, and fresh mozzarella. After that, take a stick of butter and put it in your medium-high heated pan. Let the butter melt down. Crack in 2 eggs and stir constantly. Drop in a few slices of your fresh cut mozzarella. Season it up with a pinch of salt and additionally chili powder. Toast up your buns. Then we bring everything together. The mozzarella, the scrambled egg, the tomatoes, the cucumber, our sauce, and we top it off with our bun. Devour.